got a giant box from American Muscle, and it says Roush, so what could it be? Oh, sorry, one hand reveal is a little tricky. Oh, look at that beauty. Did a little Black Friday shopping. And we got the Roush 3-piece ducktail spoiler. That's of course the main piece. I'll just set this guy up here. I'll take out the other two pieces. Look at that, a whole bunch of 3M tape, always a good thing. It's one piece right there. Got some instructions. I would assume this is a template. We'll have to open that up and see what it is. Those are the two side pieces that wrap around the body. Hoping I can lay all these out on this box. As we see, we have a minor imperfection there that'll have to be sanded off. Yeah. I think it looks very nice. It's big, but not too big, that obnoxiously big. Alright, so we're gonna go get this painted at Hondru, of course. Hopefully the guys over there can squeeze this in between their main projects or whenever. It's not a big rush. I am curious to see what's in this roll though. Where is that? Alright, I'm going to put the camera down for 1 second. It seems to be some kind of cutting template. It smells pretty bad though. It's got this strong smell to it. I guess it's the type of paper. It seems like you actually have to drill into the vehicle, which I was not aware of. Not quite sure. Maybe this goes into the rear fender, maybe, or the rear quarter panel, and maybe these need a spot. Not entirely sure. I'm gonna read the directions and we'll see, and I'll show you guys when it's painted. I will say though that this box arrived in a much better condition than the Roush bumper I got. Probably because it was a smaller box, maybe, or maybe it was because it was probably shipped using a different method. I know the bumper was a big object, so they probably used, well, I know they used a oversized freight or whatever it's called, and that took a while to get here. But yeah, it was, the box is all kind of like scrunched up and whatnot. This box is pretty pristine. Got a few scratches, not too bad. The seals on the box are all good, and no notable damage to anything. Hey guys, it's Rosenbellion here. I'm just finishing up editing this video. I'm right here with Margot. As you see, she's right next to me, as always. She's not feeling too good right now. She's got a Shar-Pei fever, and it's typical in Shar-Pei and Shar-Pei pug mixes. Anyway, I realized I didn't film an ending for this video, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Roush Spoiler, 3-piece spoiler. It's for 2010 to 2012 Mustangs, and there'll be more videos on this Roush Spoiler to come. If you like this video, if you like this type of material, please consider liking the video, subscribing, even commenting, and let me know what you guys think, and tell me what other mods I should do to this car. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.